When I first started boxing, I thought winning was all about speed and power. But then reality hit me. By the third round, my arms felt like concrete. My lungs were on fire, and no amount of punching power could save me. Ever been there? You train hard, but gas out when it matters most. That's because boxing isn't just about throwing punches. It's about how much oxygen your body can use. Your VOC-max. Think of it like your fuel tank. The bigger it is, the longer you stay dangerous. And today, I'll show you 3 drills that skyrocketed mine, and they can do the same for you. Oh, and stay till the end, because drill number 3 is the true fight changer most boxers skip. Section 1. Why VOC max matters. Boxing is chaos mixed with strategy. Every punch, every slip, every pivot, it's oxygen hungry. When your VOC max is high, you're not just surviving, you're controlling the pace. You recover faster between combos, you breathe easier under pressure, and your opponent tires before you do. I used to ignore this, thinking sparring alone would build my gas tank. Big mistake. Once I started focusing on VOC-max training, my endurance and confidence leveled up fast. Repeat 8 rounds. It sounds short, but trust me, by round 3 your lungs will scream. That's how you know it's working. Turns out I was pacing instead of exploding. Section 3. Drill 2. Sprint intervals. Next up, sprints. Classic, brutal, effective. Sprint 100 meters, walk back slow, then repeat 8 to 10 times, 30 seconds. Movement, plus jabs. Rest 1 minute. Do 4 to 5 rounds. This drill mimics real fight, demands speed, power, and movement back to back. The first time I tried it, I could barely finish 2 rounds. Now, I blast through 5 and still feel sharp. That's VOC-max gains in action. Section 5. Recovery and consistency. Here's the secret: these drills only work if you respect recovery. Sleep, hydration, clean food, they're not optional. Consistency compounds. I track my sessions weekly, aiming to push a little harder each time. Small wins add up. Boost your VOC-max, and you'll be the fighter still dangerous when everyone else is fading. Hit like if this helped, and subscribe if you're serious about upgrading your fight game. And if you want to know the exact recovery tricks pros use between rounds, watch this video right here next to you. Don't want to miss it.